Dear student, your chapter today is sentence. Sentence you already know in previous class you have already learned. A sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. So a group of words, not only group of words, so we have to make the group of words and must have the complete sense or meaning. Complete sense and meaning. A meaning must be there. So from class 3, 4, 5 and now you are in class 7, you have already learned the definition. Sentence is a group of words which makes the complete sense. A group of words. Sentence should be group of words. Remind the words. Sentence will be group of words, complete sense or meaning. The sentence are of two parts. First one is subject and predicate. This is also you have learned in class 5. Subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. So what is called subject? I have marked here about whom. About whom means we are telling about whom. And predicate what is stated, the things which we have stated, we have told about whom. So about whom we say in the sentence he about whom is he. And what is stated about whom? Is a good painter. Okay, so about whom is subject, what is stated is predicate. Okay, next one, this is a very urgent formula for you. When you will write jumble words in your exam, you will get so many questions about jumble words or rearrange the sentence. For rearrange the sentence you have to learn this one: subject, verb, object. In sentence these are three primary object: subject, verb and objects. For writing jumble words you have to learn must. So suppose I have given here your example from your book, the interesting hours, family, watch, and so this is an example of jumble words. So when you write any jumble words, you have to remind these three things: subject, verb, object. To write jumble words you have to remind then where is the subject in these questions, where are the verbs, where is the verbs, and where are the object. So here in this question of jumble words, the subject are hours. Next, verbs, you all know that this is helping verb or be verb, and object, an interesting family. So the question is hours, was, and hours, subject, was, verb, and interesting family are object. So when you got any questions regarding jumble words, first of all you have to search subject, second verb, third object, and match all the things. You will got your answer automatically. Okay, now we have also some idea about the type of sentence. Type of sentence, these also you have learned in earlier class, and I have giving here very clear cut idea. So simply the sentence at the end there will be question marks and words with who, when, what, how, why, where, whom, whose, etc. will be there. Okay, First, this is very simple to understand. Question mark at the end of the sentence. So this sentence is, we have this in the same name we have called interrogative sentence. Same thing is called questioning or question marks. Okay, so question mark at the eight. This is interrogative sentence, and note of exclamation marks, and at the end of the sentence there will be an exclamatory marks, and must express the sudden feeling of emotions or exclamatory. So first the mark of exclamatory and sudden feeling of emotions, it is exclamatory sentence. Next one, the sentence which represents order, request, command, wishing, and the sentence with subject you missing. In all the sentence subject is you, but you will be missing. So such type of sentence is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence expresses order, request, command, and wishing, and you subject will be missing. This is called imperative sentence, and this will be the first type, but for your better understanding I have bring it to the last. So this interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence, and other all sentence are assertive sentence or statement. That will be, there must be subject, verb, object, and full stop at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence there will be full stop, and here it is telling something or making statement. That means telling something. Such type of is sentence called assertive sentence, or also it is also called statement. Thank you.